Okay, I am trying this for the third time. It's been a minute since I made a video. But anyways, I'm working on this project called Click Ranger. This is what the start menu looks like. A couple different buttons. The only one that actually works is start. But when I click on it, it pulls up this, which, if you look at the code over here, it's just me defining a game, and it's inside of this main menu loop. But my problem is whenever I try to draw spell, I went ahead and defined like draw card, got a whole MX, MY, Pygame mouse, but anyways, the whole point is it's not working, but the menu button still works. But I found out there's somewhere I can kind of move code around, like if spellbut, rec, collide point, mx, my inside of the game loop, if click, I can actually just Pygame. Actually, I can just screen blit mana shot rec. Okay, and then oh, we actually got invalid syntax. I think we can get rid of you. Start. Okay. Oh, there we go. So, it pops up for a second, and you can see in the shell, like it's saying it's stuck in this loop, when it's clicking the button, and it pops up, but then also, I'm unable to go back to my menu. Oh wait. Well, that's new. Okay. So I can still go back to my menu, but okay, so the draw spell card isn't working though. And I guess that is my issue. 2 minutes and 30 seconds later.